The second part of the 15th meeting of the Conference of the Parties to the UN Convention on Biological Diversity is taking place in Montreal, Canada. The Director General of the Worldwide Fund for Nature International has said that COP15 is a historic opportunity to see a Paris-style agreement for nature.
COP15, it's an historic opportunity to see a Paris-style agreement, but for nature. Now we are getting to the point where we have the opportunity for the whole world to agree on a global plan and a global goal for nature in order to address the crisis of biodiversity loss. Nature conservation is critical not just for nature, but actually for us, for our future, and particularly specifically to the climate agenda too. So great opportunity in Montreal. We must sign an agreement because we can't postpone again our actions, coordinated actions for nature. There is a lot happening already. A lot of governments, a lot of corporates are doing good work for nature conservation, but we need a global plan that brings everybody on the same page, in the same direction, on the same ambition, to deliver action much higher scale and much faster than we've seen until now. What COP15 can and should do, must do, is to actually set the direction, as Paris did for climate, set the direction for everybody to be able to contribute to that common global goal and global direction. China's role is fundamental in engaging with the different parties, addressing misunderstandings or different views, and really driving the right level of ambition. That's something very important.